Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to divide a number by 25 easily. As a mental maths lover, I like showing learners how to simply compute numbers without panic, without calculator. So every time you use a calculator, you risk losing the fun part of computation or of calculating. So that's always something that I love showing people, shortcuts on how to do maths. So in this video, we are going to look at dividing a number by 25. Before we divide a number by 25, we have to talk about the two steps that are very crucial for this division or for this computation to be successful and also easy and in the shortest time possible. So first of all, we're going to look at two steps. So first step, we always say, if you have to divide any number by 25, the first step you have to say, take the number and multiply that number. So sorry for that. Multiply that number, the number, by 4. And then second, divide the product by 100. So like we did in the previous video where we looked at how to divide a number by 50, in this case, we're still going to divide by 4, and but the difference is we're going to multiply by 4. We're going to divide the product by 100, but we are going to multiply by 4. Okay, so let's look at our questions here, and let's try see how we can apply that. So we have A, we have 341. What we're going to do here, so now we have A, we're going to say what is 341 multiplied by 4, and then we divide it by 100. In a quick way, we're going to say what is 4 times 4? 4 times 1 is going to give us 4. 4 times 4 is going to give us 16. We carry 1. 4 times 3 is going to give us 12 plus 1 is going to give us 13. So the denominator is still the same, divide by 100. So in this case, now we know if we divide by 100, we carry the zeros, and then our answer is going to be 13.64. Of course, since you know this method, you don't want to be afraid of multiplying any number. So let's say even go to bigger numbers like 1,804. So the principle, we say we multiply that one by 4 and divide the number by 100. So in this case, now we want to see our denominator remains the same, 100. And now we want to see what's the numerator. So we say, okay, so 4 multiplied by 4 will give us 16. We're going to carry 1. So of course, then we know we're going to have 4 times 0 is 0. So then we add 1 is 1. Then we go further and say, okay, 4 times 8 is what? 4 times 8 is 32. So we'll write 2 and carry 3. So 4 times 1 is here 4, and plus 3 is going to give us 7. So we know that if you multiply that number, you're going to give us 7,216. Now divide by 100, so 2 zeros, so that means like we have 2, 1, and 2. So our answer is going to easily be 72.16. Easy, and it goes. Calculation and division by 25 has never been so fun. So let's look at C. So C is the same. We have here 4,868. We multiply that one by 4 and divide it by 100. So what do we have here? So let's just see. The denominator is the same. I will take another pen so that we have distinction. So if we use these figures here, so we want to say what the denominator is the same. We have 100. And now we want to say what is 4 times 8. That one will give us 32, we have 3. 4 times 6 give us 24, plus 3 will give us 27. So we have 7, we carry 2. 4 times 8 again is 32, plus 2 is 34. So we write 4. We have 3 here remaining, and then we have 4 times 4 is 16, plus 3, that's going to give us 19. So actually we have here 19,472 and divided by 100. So we know here our answer is going to be 194.72. So that one becomes our answer. So things becomes easier if you're given a number and you're supposed to divide it by 25. If you know this skill, things are going to be easy. Remember the skill, multiply by 4, divide by 100. Now let's go to D. So D here, let's just do D on this other side. So D is 360, so we say 360. We're going to multiply that one by 4 quickly and then divide everything by 100. In this case, it's so easy to see that because we can cancel 0 by 0 to simplify everything. So then we know the denominator is now 10. And now we say what is 6 times 4? We have 24. So we write 4, carry 2. And then we know what is 4 times 3 is 12, plus that 2 is 1 is 14. So we have here 144. Divide by 10 here. So here our answer is 14.4. Easy and quick because you are into, so that's D. So let's do the last one, which is E. So if we go to E, here's the same. So we'll say what is 786 multiply by 4 over 100. Quickly, we know the denominator is the same, so we still have 100. And we ask ourselves, what is 4 times 6? We have 24. We carry 2. Or 4 times 8 is 32. Plus that one is going to be another 4. But now this time now we carry 3. 4 times 7 is 28. Plus 3 is 31. If we divide everything by 12, by 100, so then we have our answer as 31.44. So that's going to be our answer. Thank you so much for attending this session today with us. We just wanted to show you how to divide numbers by 25. And I hope now you will apply the same methods. You remember the two principles, multiply the number by 4, and then divide the product of you are in the first here, you divide the product by 100. So that is what I want to share with you. Thank you so much, and bye-bye.